It's Tuesday. We are leaving Damme State Park. Derek, I'm really impressed that you hitched up the truck.
Thanks.
Do you know how specific the truck has to be to make that happen?
I do.
After this, it gets even better. Dump the sewage, get fresh water, and then go hiking. We're out scoping out people's RVs. We just saw a micro Winnebago. It was short, but had a slide out. So we wanted to stop and see the Pygmy Forest before heading out today. Look at this parking job. That's determination right there. That's what that is. Well done, Spencer. Yeah, I think it's on a boardwalk. We're off to see the Pygmy Forest. This land was once under the ocean. These are California huckleberries.
This is the Pygmy Forest. Smaller little conifers with like bonsai trees. No. Big bonsais, I guess.
The ancient soils. Slow growth, poor drainage creates wet soil, limiting oxygen for roots, causing stunted plant growth. We are here at the Russian Gulch Bridge. The weather's absolutely beautiful. It's been about 60 or 70 this whole time that we've been on this trip. Kind of windy now. Nights have been about 40s. Gosh, you couldn't ask for better weather. It's been so nice. So we completed our bridge stop and we are going to head now to Klamath. We have to go through all this because a car parked behind us locked us in. And then as soon as we got started turning around, the car left. We just passed through the Fort Bragg area. For you. This little coastal town is called Westport. Did you notice this road is called Shoreline Highway 1, not Pacific Coast Highway? There's a stop on the left and on the right. 3.4 miles till US 101. We've been going about 30 miles an hour on 22 miles of twisty, turny, mountainous road.
400 years old, still alive and growing.
Oh wow.
It's 315 feet tall.
Oh man, cool.
You'll have to go around it.
I figured.
Lots of parking.
Okay.
Watch your head.
Good.
Privately owned. It's been in the same family since 1922.
Oh wow.
They put the entrance through it in the mid-30s.
Oh, cool.
And have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Drive through a tree.
Drive through a train.
But we can't drive through.
But we can't drive through.
Take the next exit to start the Avenue of the Giants. It's 53,000 acres, 17,000 acres of old growth post-redwood forest. World's tallest trees, some reaching over 370 feet tall, living over 2,200 years. Wanna do it?
32 miles.
Come this far.
Okay. Ready?
We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
Gonna do it.
Do it.
When else can you drive the Avenue of the Giants?
Whenever you come up here.
We've just driven all day through Redwoods.
I know. Now we're choosing to do it again.
So we're not even there yet, according to this map here. This little high school there. No fences, no graffiti. Pretty refreshing.
Head northeast on California 254 north toward Redwood Lane.
Got it,
Continue on California 254 North for 6 miles.
This is Eureka. We are currently traveling the 101. We're just 1 hour roughly outside of Klamath. That's what our drive looks like, and then we'll be able to set up camp and have dinner. And that sounds pretty good right about now.
I can turn around right here if you want.
I'll do it if you want. You know I'm game. Game. Get it? Get it?
Oh, I got it.
Wow, did you see them?
They have their own sign and everything. Next street, right?
They're down there. Were they right here and they moved? Oh no. They moved really fast.
They're just there all year long, I guess. I'll stay here until someone.
Look at all the elk. Ha! We are now entering Redwoods National Park.
There's no redwoods. There is Redwood National Park. Right. The sign said, information, a half mile that way.
Half mile off the coast.
Yeah. You want your information, go get it.
Go. We're 20 miles outside of Klamath. Oric.
Last time it was flashing.
Elk crossing.
Oh, there's a camper stop up here.
Means paparazzi. Elk viewing, Davison Road. Half mile. Nope. Oh.
You see?
Yep. In there. You're in there. They're all in there. You see them? They're in there.
Yeah, there they are. Might be some-
Wild elk do not approach on foot. Danger. Approach them in your car. Wow, look at that little guy.
Huh. He's a tiny one.
We spotted the elk in the wilderness, in their natural habitat. There's some paparazzi right now that's on the scene. They've already got out their binoculars and cameras. So we're gonna pull up alongside them and view the magical beast in the wilderness. Watch them graze in the meadow.
River RV Park.
We made it to Klamath RV Resort. This is pretty amazing. And first things first, we've got to set up. You hear the frogs?
Firewood's right by the nose of your trailer.
Okay.
I'll get you changed.
Okay.
Thank you.
So where are the fire pits around here?